The Meteorological Service of Jamaica has reported that Tropical Storm Melissa remains nearly stationary to the southeast over the Caribbean Sea and is expected just south of Jamaica early next week. As a result, it has continued the tropical storm warning and the hurricane watch for Jamaica. The Meteorological Service says at 4 a.m. the center of the tropical storm Melissa was located near latitude 16.0 degrees north, longitude 75.5 degrees west. This is about 445 kilometers southwest of Port-au-Prince, Haiti, and about 224 kilometers, 139 miles southeast of Morant Point, or 260 kilometers southeast of Kingston, Jamaica. A slow drift towards the northeast and north is expected later today and tonight. On the forecast track, the center of Tropical Storm Melissa is expected to begin drifting westward on Saturday and continue through Monday, bringing it just south of Jamaica early next week. A 20-year-old who was shot and injured during an alleged confrontation with the police in Top Maryland District St. Andrew has succumbed to his injuries. He is Shamar Fletcher. Reports are that about 3 a.m. an operation was conducted in the area, during which the police were allegedly fired on. The fire was reportedly returned, and when the shooting subsided, a search of the area was conducted. The police say Fletcher was found lying face down with what appeared to be gunshot wounds to the head, and a firearm was beside him. He was taken to the University Hospital of the West Indies.